Hey, I'm Tara.
I'm Natalie.
And this is Natalie and Tara Try Stuff, a show in which we try stuff for the first time. And today, I'm so excited, we're gonna make soap. Okay, we're not gonna make soap, but we got this soap making kit from Brendan C, and it's gonna give us the first foundational steps to making soap.
First off, if you don't know yet, we have an Amazon wish list that we created in lieu of doing Patreon or anything like that, where we put stuff on there that we think would be fun to try, and if you want to help the channel out and support us and give us some stuff to make, send it to us and we'll do it. We'll put a link below to that. This was one that I found. It's supposed to be like, hey, you think maybe you want to make soap, maybe you don't.
Before you start rendering fat and moving into Paper Street House and going on a Fight Club thing, try this.
This is for beginners, basically. Let's dive into what's inside this box. First of all, this is from D.I.Y D.I.Y soap making kit. I'll link to that below if you want to go ahead and get yourself one too. We have 2 pounds of shea butter melt and pour base, which I'm assuming is just actual soap.
Yep, it's just, you can just wash yourself with this. This is soap.
It's a huge block of soap.
Survival soap, you need as much as you can take.
And it's huge. I don't know if I could handle that. Like, my hand's too small to hold this while it's wet. Okay. Next up, we got a pour pitcher. It came with this. We have grapefruit and mint fragrance. I don't know why they've separated these on different lines. There's grapefruit, mint, cherry blossom, vanilla, and hazelnut and lavender fragrances. Oh, is it grapefruit and mint?
Grapefruit and mint.
That's why it's on separate lines. I don't know why you would do that to grapefruit or to mint. And then there's different color dyes. There's blue, yellow, pink, purple, some dyes. Plastic molds, which are kind of cool. These ones have like little designies on them. I don't know if you can see that. And these ones are just blocks. There are 4 soap boxes and with labels. So you can make them as a gift. And I'm not doing that. I'm not gonna box it up because I don't need to. Enjoy your soap making experience. Well, thank you, Delia B. It's very nice of you. Diving in?
Let's dive in.
Do it. All right, we're gonna cut this into 1-inch cubes.
Okay.
So you're gonna have to cut it.
One way and then cut it the other way?
Yeah.
Ooh, it's very satisfying to cut. Wait, no, you have to do that. You have to do that. It's super satisfying.
Yeah?
Yeah.
No, it's not.
It is. Oh, I like that feeling.
No, it's not. I hate it.
Oh, I got it then. I'm all over this.
Yeah, but let the people see. They make videos out of this. There's entire channels dedicated to cutting soap and how satisfying it is.
Like an ASMR kind of thing?
Haven't you seen those satisfying videos?
Like oddly satisfying?
Isn't there one where like they're shaving soap or something?
I have no idea.
Yeah, there's one that's the soap shaving was a thing for a minute. Measure out 1 ounce of fragrance. How much of this am I supposed to be filling up? Well, I'm not melting it in here, I don't think. Yeah. You think this is microwave safe? Measure out 1/2 ounce of the fragrance of your choice. It is important to have the step done before heating the soap base because once the base is melted, you'll have short window to add your scent and color before the soap starts to set. Set the pre-measured fragrance in a safe spot. Well, there's no safe spaces around here. We have a Winchester.
We're definitely not doing lavender.
Blah, I hate lavender.
I kind of want to do the grapefruit mint just because it's so...
Oh, but this smells so amazing.
Does it?
Oh, yeah. Oh, wait, but no, we can do more than one because we're going to then pour it into something else. So we could do a hazelnut and a grapefruit one. So, so measure out 1/2 ounce of fragrance of your choice, grapefruit and hazelnut, yeah?
Okay.
Because we're doing 2 different ones, maybe we should do a 1/2 ounce and a fourth and a fourth, you know what I mean?
Uh-huh.
Because we're going to mix that.
Oh, because we're...
Yeah, because we're going to split this in half.
Uh-huh. Now I'm upset about not knowing how much soap exactly to
I know.
Yeah.
It just, it's gonna be fine. Let me, that's what we're probably supposed to do, a whole cube. It says 1 pound.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, 1 pound.
The whole pound.
Yeah, so put the rest of that in there.
All right.
Okay, all right. So now, wait, but once we mix it, then we're gonna go right into here. Is that what's gonna happen? Let's see, let's move ahead so we can figure out what's going on. Cover the funnel pitcher with plastic wrap and place in the microwave. Heat for 45 seconds and stir the base. If some chunks remain after stirring, heat again for 20 seconds, stir until base is completely melted. Then, once the soap base is completely melted, it's time to add the color or fragrance. So we're gonna have to microwave them separately though, so that they sit in the center, I think. So let's do one at a time. Okay, all right. This is gonna go fast.
We're gonna get a lot of comments on the size of this box.
If you have the space to store this, I highly recommend. I've never had to buy cellophane again.
Okay.
Look at me. Okay.
Okay.
Are you center, Tara?
Yes, I am, because I'm about to say. Because I'm quickly gonna say to the microwave.
Gotta move fast. So I'm gonna open this up. We're gonna pour grapefruit in here. Wait, I need to stir it, right?
Stir.
See,
Make sure there's no chunkies.
There's, nope, chunks. I don't know what to do with that.
30 more seconds.
This,
Race.
I'm not meant for this.
So making is scary fast.
30 seconds. Okay. Now
Okay.
Stir. Oh no, we're stuck. Oh yeah. Okay. So now, grapefruit.
Grapefruit in.
Grapefruit in. Okay. So then it says, our soap dye is very vibrant. Squeeze 2 to 3 drops to get the perfect shade of your liking.
I can't. Why
Oh my
won't you
God.
squeeze?
Is there maybe a thing?
No,
on the
it's impossible.
that's gonna go badly.
There's 2.
Ooh. Winchester, you are not helping.
Winchester, this is a speed situation.
Winchester, I need you to I need you to go away.
I like that color right there.
Okay, there you go. Now what? Okay. Stir until the color is distributed evenly to the base. Here, you stir and I'll get Winchester. Keep stirring. Winchester, come here. Go away.
Go away.
Okay, add the pre-measured fragrance to the soap. We already did that. Slowly stir to ensure the fragrances got incorporated into the base. Slowly pour the base into the provided soap molds of your choice, leaving about 1/4 empty at the top.
What's a 4th?
Less than a half. Sure, I mean,
Great.
it's gonna be so
I have
sad.
more. I'm gonna do this one.
Do what you gotta do. Here, hold on.
Here.
Let's give you some space. Oh, there's bubbles though. There's something we have to do with bubbles.
Oh.
Okay, yeah, go. You have to use all that up.
Okay.
Do another one. You better
I didn't know soap making was so scary.
do the circle.
Circle. I'm running out of places to put things.
Tip: if air bubbles form on the surface, spray alcohol on them to break them up. There's bubbles right there. Chitch it.
Ooh.
Oh, okay, that's plenty. Die bubbles! Allow the soap to harden. Once the soap is solidified, place it in the freezer for about a half an hour. This will make the release of the soap easy and quick. Okay, so now that these guys are sitting here, let's make the other one. Okay, so we're gonna do the hazelnut one. Put all this in there. Gonna microwave this for 45 seconds. Okay.
Okay.
No chunkies.
Perfection.
Okay, purple?
It's your soap.
I guess purple. Mother.
See? Squeezy hard.
1. 2. Let's see what that color is. Oh dear. We're just gonna fill the rest of them.
Do it.
Let's do these guys first because they're prettier. Oops. Oops. Fail. Fail sauce. Okay. What am I supposed to be doing? I'm supposed to alcohol spray it.
Alcohol spray.
I haven't gotten the alcohol spray yet.
Bubbly bubblies.
Die. Okay, allow the heart to soben. Allow the soap to harden. We're gonna allow the heart to soben.
Do you smell toast right now?
It's the alcohol already.
Oh, okay.
We are going to allow the soap to harden and then we'll come back.
We'll be right back.
So we will see you in a moment. It smells good over here.
It smells really good over here.
Ooh, I want to touch them.
Ooh, what's it feel like?
Nothing. Ooh, but you can tell it's solid. It's not solid inside.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, touch that one.
Okay.
You can tell like there's give underneath it.
Oh, wow. Ooh, that's creepy. Okay.
Okay, so these have to go into the freezer for a half hour. So it was a half hour, and then we'll have soap.
Let's go.
Okay, it has been a half hour. Our soap, that's what we're making, not ice cream.
Well, it's confusing because it is in the freezer.
Yes, and honestly, we are not drinking. We are just exhausted.
We're so sober. It's sad.
I'm gonna go get the soap.
Okay. What do we got?
We got soap.
Wow.
Mine did something weird. It didn't mix together as well or something.
Did do something weird.
I'm gonna pop them out. They
Pop
should
these bad boys out.
Let's see if they pop.
Boom! Wow! It just came right out.
Look at this.
Wow! Woo-hoo-hoo. That's so exciting.
That's not supposed to be a thing.
That's never gonna come out. Wait,
Oh.
wait for it, wait for it, wait for it, wait for it.
Oh my goodness. Milky Way molds, Portland, Oregon. Now I know what that says.
This is my favorite part. Look, close up on that. Yes, how cute. Yep, this is cool. This is cool.
I recommend this kit.
I do.
This is fun.
If you want to start trying the soap thing, but you don't want to do all that climbing a fence, breaking the bag of fat all over your partner in crime, and then going back and having a fight with yourself, skip all that and do this.
Oh, this is fun.
Yes.
Now I want to experiment with it.
Yeah.
But also, I think this would be really good to do with a nephew.
Yes. Yes. I think a certain nephew of ours would enjoy this. Yeah, kids would enjoy this. This is a fun little activity to do.
Thanks, Brendan.
Thank you. Thank you so much for supporting our show by sending us stuff off our Amazon wish list. Again, that link is going to be below for you. There's lots of really weird things down there. I think that's kind of it for this one.
That's it.
Yeah, I'm Tara.
I'm Natalie.
And this is Natalie and Tara Try Stuff. Don't forget to subscribe and comment and like because it really helps our channel grow. And it's going so well. Bye.
Bye.
We made soap. And by that I mean we melted something and poured it into a shell.